Client C is an accounting firm whose operations director was keen to bring in automation into the business. His team of operations and IT staff did some development training online and hatched together a DIY robot. However, they didn't have the support process, and as there was no set criteria for designing the solution, the quality of the bot was bad. The bot itself wasn't fit for purpose due to poor analysis and mistakes in the solution design. Hiring an expert team trained in AEIOU, they were able to take the team through the implementation process and educate their team on the key stages of AEIOU. This included walking them through how to use the tools and templates to ensure accuracy and consistency across projects, showing them their opportunity landscape. This meant they could see clearly how much savings and non-financial benefits like better compliance, speed and accuracy could be gained. The client realized that intelligent automation could be so much more powerful with a strategic approach rather than tactically automating processes, and had to rethink investing a lot more and view automation in a serious way to transform their business.